Alright, welcome to Seared and Smoked, where food always tastes better outdoors. I'm Keegan, your host today. We are making sexy grilled chicken breast. That's right, they're that good. I'm going to call them sexy grilled chicken breast. If you're like me, you know that some of your friends make terrible dried chicken breast. Maybe even you do. That's why you're watching this video, and that's okay. It took me a long time to figure out the exact way I want to make chicken breast. And today I'm going to show you what I consider 3 key steps to make this happen, and I never stray from it. And when I do, I always come back to this recipe because it's that easy and it's that good. It really is that good. You gotta try this. You're gonna want to share it with your friends so they stop making bad chicken. Share it with your parents, share it with your brother-in-law. Whoever's making bad chicken, you want to share this video with them. It's a public service announcement for chicken. We're gonna correct chicken. It's like ending polio. We're gonna end bad chicken everywhere. It's gonna be amazing. Let's do it together. So there's basically 3 steps to this chicken to make it awesome. Number 1, you always gotta clean it properly. That means washing, rinsing, drying. And then to grill it properly, we're gonna cut it down into thinner pieces. So we're gonna make chicken cutlets. And all you have to do, buy normal chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, and then all we have to do is just slice them in half carefully, and it's gonna go a long way. You're gonna grill it a lot faster. You have to marinate it a shorter time because of it. And the grilling is just so much easier. There's more uniformity in these cutlets. So you're not gonna have dry chicken on one side and, sort of good chicken on the other side. It's gonna be good pretty much all the way through. You're gonna like the way this turns out because of this process. Step 2 is a really quick marinade. And the marinade's simple. So the marinade is only the olive oil and the rice wine vinegar, but the punch is with our rub. And you can find the rub recipe below in the video description. And this is a very easy rub. I use it on tons of items. I use it on steak, I use it on chicken, I use it on salmon. It's amazing. So put this rub together, and then all you need is the rub, the olive oil, and the rice wine vinegar, and you're set. So after you get your chicken clean and prepared for seasoning, all you do is put it on a plate or a bowl, and then season up your chicken first with the rub pretty liberally. So I put this on pretty thick, and then I put the olive oil on also pretty liberally. I don't measure it, just a nice fairly thick coating. And after you get your thick coating of olive oil, just sprinkle, just kind of gently sprinkle a little of the rice wine vinegar on the chicken and mix it all together. And so you kind of mix the chicken all together, and then just let it sit on your countertop for 20 or 30 minutes while you heat up the grill, and then you're ready for grilling. And it's so easy. So I'm gonna use a gas grill today. I'm gonna use my trusty Weber Genesis back there. That's my weeknight griller right there. I would love to say I had more time and I use my green egg and my Weber charcoal during the week, but I just don't. I just don't have time anymore. So that's the workhorse back there. And now all we have to do is heat this baby up to about 550 degrees. So for me, that's around the medium-high heat, just a little over medium on this grill. For you, that might be high heat, but you want the temperature to be over 550 when you throw these breasts on, and then you're gonna like them. All right, so our grill is heated up to 550, 600 degrees, and now it's time to put on the chicken breast. And this is where I start to get excited because we're about 5 to 6 minutes away from having these chicken breasts done. So we're gonna throw them on the grill, and then we're gonna close this up, and depending on your thickness, I would start with 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes for the first side, and then finish the second side in about 2 to 3 minutes as well. And the best way to obviously tell if these are done is just to use a meat thermometer of some sort. So just using the Thermopen today, we're shooting for around 160. These aren't real thick, so the temperature is going to change quick. If you monitor the temperature at 155, 30 seconds later it's probably going to be 160, so keep that in mind. So now our chicken is almost done. We're just waiting for the right temperature. All right, looks like we're at the right temperature right now. Let's pull these babies off and let's cut them up, give them a taste test. All right, everything went according to plan, like it always does. It's an easy recipe, you gotta try it. Let's take a look at this chicken. Look at the color on that. It's juicy, tasty. We gotta cut this open. I wanna show you what it looks like. It has a tremendous amount of flavor, really juicy. It's so moist. You had to convince me to eat chicken a long time ago. Now I love chicken because it's done the right way. And it's delicious. You gotta try it. Let's check it out. Once again, just look how gorgeous this is. We have to get a little close-up of this. That marinade almost creates like a little sauce on the top of it that sticks to it on the grill. Between the rub, the rice wine vinegar, and the olive oil, it is just amazing. And just look at all the juices on the carving board. What I like to do is just cut this up before I serve it to everybody, so it's easy to grab. It's got a nice little crust of flavor on the outside, nice and juicy on the inside. Okay, so that went really well, like it always does. This is an easy recipe for delicious chicken. Look at that, it is beautiful. I mean, you can't go wrong with this stuff. It is just so amazing and so easy. I make this like once or twice a week on average, I'd say. My wife loves it, my family loves it. I think you will too. Together we can eradicate dry chicken all over the place. Share this recipe with your friends and family that have that problem, and we can do it together. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for the chicken. It's delicious. I know you'll want some of this. If you like this video, subscribe, give me a like. I'd appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. From my backyard to yours, food always tastes better outdoors.